Hi everybody, welcome to the third video of the vlog, and today we are going to continue the project concerning the development of a fluorescence detector. On the left here we have the first prototype that we designed and realized that the distance between the lens and LED was not good. Then we designed a second prototype where we adjust this distance to 68 mm between the LED and lens. We also add here a mask. We also did two holes, one for the capillaries on the bottom part and on the side part for the fluorescence detector. Today we are going to try to improve this chamber, and we are going to make three modifications. The first modification will be the older part of the lens. In fact, I realized that I spent 30 minutes to modify it, and I did with a hand tool, so it's not really accurate. So my goal now is try to make it better, and I went to the supermarket and I bought this shower seal like this for $5. It cost one box, and my goal is to use it as a holder and to increase here the hole to try to insert both the lens and the seal. Then I will remove also the mask, because if you watch the last part of the second video, you will see that some artifacts appear when we push a little bit the LED, maybe some diffraction due to this mask. So we are going to remove and see if there is any improvement. And also I try to add here the sensor, and it seems that the external diameter is quite not well adjusted. I have to change this diameter and to increase it a little bit more. Okay, so let's go to the computer to do this modification. So we are now on the computer. We are going to modify the lens holder. We have now a total diameter of 19 millimeter, so it means that the radius is 9.5, here 9.5, from here to here we have 0.95. okay, so let's put some guideline. Yes, 0. So 0.95. okay, and here 0.95. So we are going to remove the wall to make a new one. So it's always tricky to modify 3D object. It's always better to have the right dimension at the beginning, because after it starts to be really complicated. Yes, okay. Let's draw now the new wall. It closes automatically, thank you. Anyway, I open it again. So this is the new wall. I need also to put some space to be able to insert the lens and the seal. So our new system, I need to extrude one side, but also symmetrically the other side. Like this. I should not forget that everything is going more down now. 9.5 radius, and I need to put the base a little bit down, but not all the base, but just one part that I'm drawing now. So from here to here, until here to here, and here. That's it. Now up, let's extrude a little bit until my reference point, which is here. Exactly. I'm going now to make the new hole. Exactly. Perfect, it fits. Small extrusion both sides. Remove the artifactual layer. Nice. I have to remove the mask because maybe it's due. Oh, why is making? Yeah, I don't know why. That's okay. So yes, let's remove this and this one. Oh, it's working. I don't know why. So now we remove it because, as I said before, too much power, then we have some strange diffraction, maybe it's due to this. So if I remove and do the same experiment and I can show that I don't have diffraction, then it's because of this, and I have to redesign or do something else. I was thinking also this is really, it's 1 millimeter is really weak, so maybe I should put some additional wall. Yes, maybe here to here. Okay, here to here I have, if I put 4 is good, 4 also, 4 4 4, yes, and the other side the same. 4 4 4. Okay, now I can draw. I have reference point. Okay, cool. I can extrude until here. Perfect. We are going to do the same in the other side, like this. Extrude until, yes, the edge. It's cool. Okay, so now I'm going to increase the diameter of this guy, which may be not simple. First I should maybe put it back, this stuff. Yeah, remove some line. Then take the diameter of this guy. We can increase it. I don't know, 0.5, so it will be 1 millimeter more. I think now is good. Let's complete the cycle. And then I would like to extrude exactly this region, to join to this region. Exactly. Nice. I can also see if I could remove this. Yeah, then it will be better. I think I made a mistake before for my sensor. It's not nice. I have to use a tool to put inside, and I think it's better to redimension it. this. Then not forgot to add here this little stuff. Okay, super. So I think now we are done. We've changed the older part, remove the mask, and change the external diameter for the sensor. So let's go now to the printer. So now we have the printed chamber, the new printed chamber with the new holding system. So we are going to take the lens. I can show you. The lens is here. Then it fits perfectly with the shower seal. It's really nice, like this. So now I will insert it here. So this is the tricky part. Slowly, with some rotation. So now I need to use some tool. Yeah, so it's nicely fitting inside. So now let's try it. So now I connect the LEDs, plus I had this tape on the top of the chamber as I did before, and we are already at 2.5 volt. I'm going to turn off the light to show you how the beam is focused. So now I'm going to add the paper, and as you can see, it's nicely focused at the whole of the capillaries. But you see, I have really a strange shape. I don't know why. Let's pulse a little bit more the system now to 4 volt. To 4 volt, I add now the paper, and you see I still have this strange shape. However, the beam seems to be focused really here on the whole of the capillary. So this is the positive aspect, that the holder, new holder works. However, I still have this strange shape, and now at 2.5 volts. So this is very weird. I don't know why. Maybe the inside is a little bit shiny, so maybe there is some strange reflection. I should maybe paint in the black matte. I don't know. I can also show you. Maybe we can see the beam without this strange shape. It's quite not bad, huh? However, I have this strange shape. So if you have suggestion, anything to help me, I will be very interested to hear your comment. If you have some new idea why I have this strange shape. So let's modify again and see if I can improve it.